Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. So first of all, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address or your phone number and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to tap on the Sport tab in the top, and then you will be able to see the balances. It simply means that you will be able to see all of the coins and cryptos that you have in your Binance account. So if you want to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account, you need to make sure that you have enough USDT available in your Binance account. So if you don't have any USDT, then what you can do is you can simply sell any of your coins. So let's say I want to sell Gala, so I'll simply select Gala, and once you have selected your coin, you will have to make sure that it is selected as a Gala or any other coin in USDT form. After that, you will have to click on the option of sell in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and then you will be able to see the total USDT you are going to get after selling that coin. Then you need to click on the sell option in the bottom, and once done, your order will be placed and you are going to get the USDT after selling your crypto. Now once you have USDT in your wallet, you will have to click on the Wallets tab again, and you will have to come to this Sport page again. Now over here you are going to see this withdraw button in the top. So I simply need to tap on withdraw, and it will show you the coin lists that you have. Now over here you will have to click on the option of USDT, and then it will show you a bunch of different withdrawal options. Now the bank account option may vary from country to country. So in your country, if the bank account is available, then you will have to select the option of bank account from the given list, and then you need to provide your account details such as your name on account, your bank account number, and a bunch of other information relating to your bank account. After that, you need to provide the amount that you want to transfer, and then you just have to confirm your withdrawal. Once done, you just have to wait for a few minutes until the withdrawal is completed and until the USDT is transferred from Binance to your bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.